Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare linear ramp versus dual zone Overwatch. Linear ramp offers a direct, one-to-one input, meaning your stick movement directly translates to aim. Dual zone, however, divides your stick's range into two distinct sensitivity areas, a slower inner zone for fine adjustments and a faster outer zone for rapid turns. We'll explore how each impacts your gameplay and help you decide which might be better for your style. Linear ramp provides a consistent, direct correlation between your stick's deflection and your aiming speed. This means a small tilt results in a small aim movement, and a large tilt results in a large movement, offering maximum control and precision for those crucial headshots. While it offers unparalleled directness, some players find it challenging to master, especially at higher sensitivities, requiring significant practice to achieve smooth, controlled movements. Dual zone aiming features a slower inner dead zone, typically covering about 75% of your stick's range, for precise aiming. Beyond this, the outer 25% of the stick's movement triggers a significantly faster sensitivity, allowing for quick turns and target acquisition. This setup can make fine adjustments easier while still providing the speed needed for rapid engagements, though some find it less direct than linear ramp. Choosing between linear ramp and dual zone ultimately comes down to personal preference and playstyle. Linear ramp offers raw, direct input, favoring players who prioritize precision and have excellent fine motor control. Dual zone provides a more forgiving experience with easier fine-tuning and quick turn capabilities, suitable for many players. I recommend spending at least a few hours with each setting in the practice range and in actual matches to truly discover what feels best for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.